This is a test. It's just a test because I'm going to do something healthy again. Today, we're going to do something healthier, but with a twist. Because I want something with a smoky flavor, so I'm going to get the grill ready. We're going to do green chili enchiladas verde. And we got to get the grill ready. So before we do that, we're going to, maybe not. Before we do that, gotta clean the grill. Glad you're here. This is Cooking with Kay. Green chili enchiladas. Glad you're here. Be right back. Right now, I had a change of plans. My other grill ran out of propane, but that's the nature of trying to cook. So I had to use my Weber, which is fine because I had charcoal. Everything's looking good, and all I want is my ground turkey. Because I have my ground turkey, and I also threw some sausage in there too on the side, some turkey sausage. So I'm on point, and I'll be back in a second. And all I'm waiting on is the ground turkey to cook. Cause that's all I want, and I'm making this a little more detailed than it has to be. You can put your ground turkey in the oven or however you want to cook it. You just need 1.5 pounds of ground turkey, and I just got to seal it because I wanted something smoked on the grill. So anyway, let me continue on with my green chili enchiladas, and I'm going to keep it moving. Everything is on point. I have some turkey sausage links in here along with the ground turkey because, again, that's for the future, in the future, so I won't have to cook again anytime soon. I'm thinking ahead. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll be back. Okay, with the cream of mushroom soup, I know it looks really strange. Just look at the cream of mushroom soup. It works, I promise you. I got my cream of mushroom soup on the side, and all I did was I had my ground turkey on the side. So with my ground turkey, all I did was add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup in there, and that's it. And I'm getting ready to take it out and put some onions on top of it. And I'm just going to take the sausage out too, but just focus on the ground turkey. It looks messy, but I promise you it's working. Okay, thanks for looking. I'll be back. I have the green chilies, I have the turkey, I have the barbecue flavor that I want in here. So added some onions and some spices. Whatever spices you would use to normally do ground beef is what you would use in this case. I'm going to let the green chilies marinate with the turkey. Let it come to a creamy kind of consistency. And then I'm going to take it off the heat. So everything is on point. Yeah, it looks a little messy. But I promise you, it doesn't taste messy. It's going to be good. Alright, so I got everything on the inside. What I did was I have my ground turkey, my green chili. It looks a little messy, but that's the nature of barbecue. But the main thing is I have the smoke flavor that I wanted in the meat. What I'm going to do now is roll the quesadillas. So you take some of the chili meat out, the turkey-based meat. And with quesadillas, you can customize them so many different ways, but this is just going to be my basic way. What I did was I took the turkey and I chopped it up on the grill, added all my ingredients, added my green chilies, some onions, a little garlic, a little seasoning salt, seasoning sauces, and whatever you would normally use to add into your hamburger is fine. But you put it in the middle. You don't want to overload it. That's the main thing. Kind of put it in the middle. You could add rice beans. You could customize this in so many different ways. But for today, I'm just going to use it and make it a basic one. And I might have too much meat in here. I'm going to roll it. Yep, got a little too much meat in there. But that's okay. Kind of roll it tight. And grab the end. And there you go. Let's put this finished one over here. That's one. Let me do another one. Boy, that smells good. Yes, it does. I have a little too much in here. Let's see. You could add beans to this, rice, just whatever you want to. But I really want the meat one, the turkey and the green chilies. And the cream of mushroom and my ingredients. So with this one, let's do it the same way. Might have too much. Try to roll it and grab it tight. My nails might be creating a problem this time. Yep, I have a little bit. See, I'm messing up. Got a little too much in there, being greedy. Making a mess like I hadn't done this before. This was a recipe that when my children were small, we used to eat kind of often. But I used to make it for them with hamburger. Because you know the nature of kids, they want hamburger. So. That's a long time ago. That was a long time ago. Let's do another one. I'm making a mess. But you get the point. The point is I'm putting a little too much in there. And with the wraps, you can buy different size wraps. Sometimes I get the large one. This is like, I think it's an 8-inch size wrap. You can also buy the 10-inch. When I buy the 10-inch, I like to get that size because you can really load it up. When I get the 10-inch wraps, I go ahead and put the beans and the rice and everything together. Yeah, that's probably the right amount I need to put in there. Kind of put it in the middle. Because they're going to spread out once you roll it. Gotta roll it tight. There you go. And normally I do this without thinking about it, but when I'm thinking about it, I'm messing them up. I'm just gonna stack them. Making a mess. You can also freeze these. I have some friends from where I used to live, like a little further out west. They used to actually make these and freeze them. Now, honestly, I have never frozen any because when I made them, when I had, kids growing up, there was never any left over. But I'm pretty sure you probably could freeze them. Okay, I got a little too much in there, but here we go. Yeah. I'm up here like I'm using the big 10-inch wrap. These are the 8-inch wraps. And with the wraps you can buy, oh my goodness, I love these things. These are the flour wraps, but you can also buy spinach wraps, tomato wraps. Let's see what else. Good gracious, wheat wraps. The wraps themselves just depends on the manufacturer. They come in different flavors. You can customize them also. It depends on what you want to do with them. Like when I get the spinach wraps, I sometimes like make the turkey wraps like the deli meat. I like that with the deli meat, the avocado, and everything with the green spinach wraps. But you can really use them and trade, switch them out for whatever you want to be honest with you. It just depends on what you want to do with them. Your imagination can run a little wild when it comes to wraps and what you can do with them. I'm sure somebody's done something I have not even thought about. And my nails are making a mess with this, but This is not a restaurant. This is going in my home kitchen, so it's fine. But you get the point, okay? Let's see. Maybe I'll do a few more. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it back on the grill with some cheese on the top and let the cheese melt, and that's going to be it. And this is definitely the harder way to do this. I want to say hard, but you don't have to get this complicated. I will put a copy of the recipe at the bottom of my YouTube page. Because I've done this so many times before. Like I said, when I had small children at home, I used to actually make these. And let me see. Hold up. Let me get this one wrapped and show you. Let me do one right. Good gracious. Make these and not have any left over. You can make them with. I like them because they're kid friendly, adult friendly. Everybody likes them. You can customize them to your liking. And really and truly, they're not hard to make. I even had some kids make them before. They're kind of fun to do. You don't have to do it the way that I did. You don't have to put them on the grill. You can really just take this basic recipe and put it in the oven. But because I made it so many times before, I just hadn't made it in a while, I wanted to do something with a different taste to it. That's why I went through all that trying to get it on the grill. Okay, I think I have enough. Okay, that's enough to put in that one. I put the meat in the middle. I'm trying to grab it and roll it. I think I burned my hand on the grill. Good grief. So excuse my hands. They looking a little messy. But y'all get the point. That one's got too much in there. See, that's the thing. If you overload it, it's not going to sit right. But anyway, that's the basic of how to do the wraps. And what I'm going to do with these... Oh, sorry, I got a mess everywhere. So I'm going to take them and stick them back on the grill since the charcoal is still hot. And let some cheese melt on top of them. But in reality, you don't have to put cheese on top of these at all. Because of the consistency of the inside of them, the interior, the meat sauce and everything. You can pop these in the oven. I really eat it like it is. But I like mine with a little bit of warmth on them. Just a little bit. so they can kind of melt in your mouth better, and they're just good. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna pop these in the oven and finish, and not the oven, pop them on the grill. I was used to saying the oven. Pop them on the grill with some cheese on top, just a little teeny tiny bit, so you can see what it looks like. At least do one for presentation purposes, so you can see what the final result looks like. Cause this is a little messy. Okay, here we go with the end result. I have green chili enchiladas. And what I did was I topped everything off, added a little seasonings, added a little flavor, added a little bit of cheese, and let it melt on there. And to me, I like this alternative better because the traditional recipe is just layered in cheese. And don't get me wrong, it tastes good, but this is a healthier alternative where you don't have to sacrifice taste, which is why I went through everything to put it on the grill and get the smoky flavor. The bottom line is you don't have to sacrifice taste. You can still eat your enchiladas. You don't have to give up anything. Just modify it, tweak it a little bit, and make it yours. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Stay safe. Stay in touch. Like, share, and follow if you enjoy what I do. Support the channel. I would like to make it grow. I like to get the healthier word out. It's the best I can. And thanks for watching. You guys, I appreciate you. Peace and grace. Bye-bye. Adios.